Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the Parabola Worksheet. So this slide explains what's going on in this video. I'll leave it on for a very short while before I move on to the next slide, which gives you the first three verses of the rap song about the parabola. Okay, I'll move on to the first three verses of the rap song on the parabola, and here they are. And here are the next three verses. And here we have the worksheet. We have four very interesting questions here where you are asked to draw four separate parabolas based on those tables there. Now the answers are on the next slide and the slide after, so I'll leave that on for a short while. You can pause it for as long as you want till you do these questions. Very shortly I'll move on to the answers. Okay, here are the answers now. That's for the first two questions. Notice we filled in each of the tables and we've drawn each of the parabolas. I'll leave that on for a short while, then we'll move on to the next two questions with the answers. And here are the answers for questions 3 and 4. Very interesting they are. If you look at them very carefully, you'll see what's going on. And here is the second last slide. So in this video, by introducing a rap song about the parabola, I've attempted to integrate mathematics, English and music. If you found this video useful, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. On the next slide, you can click on the link if you need to go to the lesson that explains this worksheet. You can also click on the subscribe button, and here is the last slide.